Institution yaffe ya Uganda Muslim Supreme Council etuuse okubeera nti ekuŋŋaanya obusiraamu bwonna ate netugatta n'eggwanga lyonna. Twebaza nnyo n'omukulembeze w'eggwanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni olw'obujjumbize obw'enjawulo ennyo mu kukuuma emirembe, ekyo ekitusobozesezza okubeera ne Ramadan ey'enjawulo omwaka guno nga ya mirembe nnyo.
The values taught to us by Ramadan, that is discipline, sacrifice, honesty, compassion, and peace, are not only religious values, they are also economic values. No society develops without discipline. No human being prospers without honesty.
We pray Allah to reward those who have fasted this month of Ramadan with joys and favors on the day of judgment, that Allah rewards them abundantly. I also encourage you to continue to fast the following 6 days of Shawwal.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.